I'm sick today, so I can't come in, but I wanted to give you the lesson plan, explain some things, and then let you get working. So we've got three parts to today's plan. The first part is to read your Lit Circle book that you chose. On the other slides and from last week, I put a list of which books were your top choices, and we started reading. So you're going to spend about 30 to 40 minutes to the start of the hour and continue reading your Lit Circle book in class. I would like you to also decide how are you going to take some informal notes as you read the exposition of your novels. Are you going to use a timeline set of notes, just list some things? Are you going to use episodic notes? Have something to show in class on Thursday. But don't spend like 20 minutes on your notes. There's something that you can check in quickly on. It might take about 5 minutes of your reading time to jot down those notes on the book. I have a few students who are going to need to use digital copies for today. For Salt of the Sea, Lucian and Rachel, if you don't mind, it would be really great if you could use the Sora version. And if you're not sure how to do that, visit Jerry in the library and check your email. I'm going to give you directions on how to get the digital version for just today. I have two on back order to have in the class tomorrow, Thursday. For Slaughterhouse 5, Ingmar, Ian, and Ava, if the three of you could use Sora, that'd be really helpful because I only have enough books for 2 to 3 students for Slaughterhouse 5. I should have 5 total copies by Thursday. If you're not sure how to get into Sora, again, Jerry in the library will be able to help. And if she's absent, I believe it's pretty easy to get in there. Okay, so that's the first part, is just reading the Lit Circle book. Second part of the lesson plan is to watch a TED Talk together in class. And it's by a really respected, famous historian, teacher. And he's discussing why history matters. I would like you to use Cornell notes for this talk. And it's about 15 minutes long. Think about it as 3 sections. And I'm going to have the sub pause about 5 minutes into each part just to get everybody talking and listing some ideas. So this section will take about 25 to 30 minutes total to do, with 5-minute breaks where you talk about each section. The last part of our class period after you watch the TED Talk is to reflect on your notes of the TED Talk and email me a quick response. What idea is potentially usable for your essays you have been doing? There's something that he says about history that you could later on Thursday and Friday this week, when we get back into writing our essays and I'm back in school. Is there an idea that you think you might be able to use in a paragraph that helps support something that you're thinking about? So we're going to read, you're going to watch the TED Talk and do Cornell notes, and then you're going to send me an email reflecting on what's one idea from that speaker about history that you think you could use, you could make a connection in your essays later this week, and you're just sending me an idea via email. Make sure that email has a little bit of depth to it. I'm looking for about 4 sentences. It doesn't mean it becomes the actual paragraph of your essay, but it goes into like, I think this idea is usable, and here's how I'm thinking I might use it. If you have any questions, email me. I will be checking my school email all day. Bye.